Hannah, Hannah, wait for the camera. Hannah Banana.
How could it get any worse? What economy's bad?
Yeah. Ruby and Morgan, give me a wave. Give me a wave, guys.
You can stop. I'm here.
You want to see me push Katie over?
Uncle Deb, yeah, push old Katie over. Aunt Valerie. Aunt Valerie, bringing up the rear. Okay, Valerie. Don't fall. That'd give me some really good camera footage, so don't. Make sure you don't fall for the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, I got her! I got her, guys! We got her. Should I help or should I just film her? I'll help.